Okay, this is 1 pound of Pop Choy. Pop Choy. Pop Choy. Okay, I'm going to Pop Choy and Chicken today. So, how you clean this, you just cut this. And cut this. Alright. Just put out the leaf, remove the yellow ones. And then you just pour some water into this. And a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Alright. You just hold the edges of these and then you just clean it. Just ensure that it's clean. Alright. Hold the edges and clean it because that's where the dirt is. This grows on the ground, so it's dirty. So you gotta make sure that no insect is in between right here and no dirt. You gotta wash it like that. Just wash it. Don't squeeze it because you don't want to break it up. Wash in between here. This is a string that came. Wash in between there. And hold it and make sure that no dirt nor insect is between these little space where we cut. Look at all that dirt. I don't know if you can see it as I do, but you see all the little dirt and little things in it, so it's good to wash. Now we're gonna shred it, so you just do like that. I like to do like that. Let's do like this. You don't want to make it too fine, about 1/4 inch apart. And make sure your fingers out of the way. That's it. So this is 1 pound of shredded Pop Choy. Now we're gonna cut 1/4 of a chicken to pieces or just a chicken breast. I might use the wing. So now all you gotta do is remove this. We're gonna remove the skin. Let's cut off the wing. And remove the skin, trim the fat. And then this now, you just cut in half. Cut this in half. Cut this in half. That in half. Cut this in half. Oh, we didn't debone it, so in Jamaica we like to eat with bone. We like to cook with bone, so we never debone. You just put some elbow grease in it and cut the bone, or you can just do like this. I'm going to use the wing. And just do like this. You can cut that off if you want, but I'm not going to. So that's the chicken pieces for the Pop Choy and Chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the chicken. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add the seasoning. Today just work that in Pop Choy and chicken. So the ingredients is scallion. You need a stack of scallion, 2 stacks of scallion, 1 large onion, a quarter cut piece of sweet pepper, quarter teaspoon of thyme leaf, a piece of ginger cut to half the size of your thumb, half scotch bonnet pepper, half teaspoon of pimento seed, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley or fresh ones, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 4 garlic cloves. Put to heat a frying pan. Put the gauge on high. After 1 minute, add the oil. Now after 1 minute, this is the chicken. We're going to add the chicken pieces. So you should strip the season off, because we're going to fry these. Just strip it off. And just allow it to fry. Now after 5 minutes, turn the chicken. Flip it on the other side. Right. Allow that to fry on the other side. Now, after 2 minutes, add the seasoning. Then add the Pop Choy. Then add warm water. One cup and a half. And then cover it and put the stove on 4. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. You just stir it now. Stir it. Stir it now and cover it. Now after 8 minutes, add the ketchup. Add quarter cup of ketchup. And turn it off. Squirt the seams. Take it out. Pop Choy and Chicken. That's it. And cover it. Pop Choy and Chicken. Pop Choy and Chicken. Pop Choy and Chicken. Pop Choy and Chicken with boiled bananas. Pop Choy and Chicken with boiled bananas.